So after Instagram has updated its layout, it has become difficult for many users to post in this new era using this new layout. So we'll go through only 2 steps to post after this new Instagram update. What you have to do is you have to first of all open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. And after that, go to the search button and search here Instagram and hit the search button. And when this Instagram app appears up, you have to tap on it, and you have to first of all update your Instagram application by tapping on this little update button available here. If you have the word open written here at the place of update, it means your Instagram app is already up to date, so you need not to update it anymore. This update is mandatory to see the same options just like me. And after that, you'll have the same layout, and after that you'll get an option of plus at the top left corner of the screen. And as soon as you tap on it, Instagram's camera will be opened. From here you can choose either you want to post a story, a reel, or even a post. Whatever you choose, just press the next button and it will take you to Instagram post settings and tap on next. Give any caption if you want, and you can also choose your friends to tag and simply tap on this share button and this post will be shared. Same is the case with stories and reels. So that's how you post on Instagram after its new update. Thank you so much.